So let's see the garden, right?
Yeah. Oh, it's always
Huh?
need a fresh feeling.
Oh, it's not a real bed, right?
Yeah.
No. So this cuties. This for fermenting kimchi. The pots.
Empty.
Oh, it's empty.
Yeah.
But these are the type of pots used for fermenting kimchi. Oh,
Right.
what's this?
This is called for Wondermark. It's Watchman's. Originally, it's Watchman's house.
Oh, okay.
For stealing, for watermelon.
Oh. So you usually have it in a farm?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
I see.
Not in these days.
Oh.
There's a civilian's camera.
Oh,
Oh,
mosquitoes.
mosquitoes. Follow you. Okay, here.
Okay. Oh, it's cool inside here.
And the smell.
Oh, yeah.
네.
안녕하세요.
네, 둘러볼게요.
Oh.
And
Oh, this ants. Oh.
yeah, they are the real ones, not the fake ones.
Oh, the tree.
Yeah, tree, banana.
Oh. Wait, this one doesn't bear fruit. Does it bear fruit?
Actually, in Korea, it doesn't.
It
bear
doesn't.
fruit. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah. Special care needed for their fruit.
There must be very nice scents here. Oh, wow. How about this one?
Tea.
Oh,
Over
blueberry yogurt.
Oh, this is blueberry yogurt.
Vanilla pacho. Oh, there's so many things here.
Imported one.
Oh, imported. Oh, I see.
Yeah.
What are these owls?
For scent candle.
Oh, you put your candle in them.
I'm not sure, but
Just decoration, I guess.
yeah.
Oh, and this is 39,000 won for three of them or for one. Okay.
I think three. Yeah, three. Yeah, set. You know, set.
Okay, set. Oh, okay.
Together.
Oh, okay. Are these plants?
Yeah.
A tiny thing.
Yeah. Kind of cactus, I think. Less water, they can survive.
They're so tiny.
The real one.
Oh, real one? Doesn't even look real.
Yeah, but this is the real one.
Oh. Wow, it doesn't look real.
Yeah.
Wow. I like the artworks, carved things and all that. Nice. I'm saying Oh, this is supposed to be artificial pond.
Yeah, just look around.
Oh.
This is the personal garden.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
The owner persistently take care of the garden.
So you don't pay differently to come here when you come to eat or something?
Yeah, no pay for the
Oh.
garden.
Oh.
So people can buy some food
And
there,
sit here.
and sit here.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah.
It's really
The
nice.
beverage from the cafe, they
Mm.
can have it here.
Hug?
Who can hug the cactus?
I don't know. This is actually pretty.
Nice bridge.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh. Oh. This is really nice.
이렇게 해서 끓여면 다시 inside again.
Okay.
Bamboo.
Oh, black bamboo. Oh. What kind of tree is this?
It's kind of tropical.
Oh.
It looks like a root.
Ah.
Yeah.
Oh, so this artworks here. Do they symbolize anything? Any particular message?
Family.
Oh, family. Oh.
I'm not sure.
Oh, this one must be a soldier.
Yeah. Soldier.
Oh, musician.
Guitarist.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Guitar. This must be a dancer.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I see. How about this big man?
King. I'm not sure.
Oh. Oh.
Decker.
Oh.
Decker symbolizes the fertility. I'm not sure.
Fertility?
Yeah.
Oh.
So once I saw the African statue from Guinea.
Guinea? Oh, okay.
The symbolize the fertility.
Female fertility.
Yeah.
Okay.
And there is
Oh, this is Namja.
yeah. Library.
Okay. Well, this is actually cool. You can just sit down here with the sound of water.
I think not many kids read books here, but
Oh, yeah.
it's a kind of very secret, as it, a hiding place.
Yeah.
And then there's the
You can swing here. Okay.
I'm the king of this area.
Long live the king.
My majesty.
Your palace is very beautiful.
Oh. Well. The restaurant owner wants to have his private botanic garden.
But it's very thoughtful.
Yeah.
What's this?
Take off your shoes.
Oh, thank God I read because I was about going in with my shoes.
Anyway, just sitting on the floor
Oh.
makes me feel I become a king.
Oh, really? I wasn't thinking this is the chair. I really thought I was.
Same.
I really thought I was
Because
a
we
chair.
sit on the chair.
Yeah. I really thought I was a chair. But the mat is for sitting. Oh yeah.
Geranium. Old geranium. Maybe I think it is older than you.
Oh really?
Yeah.
What kind of animal is this?
How?
What's written?
I'm sick.
Okay.
It says I'm sick. Don't write on me.
Okay.
Because
maybe it's okay.
yeah. If you want to take a picture, just
Okay, climb. Okay, just stand.
yeah, like this.
Oh, hey, I should take you some pictures then.